While we're here, I'll show you guys my garden. Over here we have my tasty as Kamokamo patch. Got 2 there. Got a couple more in the front garden. Well, we'll pick some beans now. We've got some tasty as Scarlet Runner. There's a few there. So I'll pick some of those. These are really nice beans, these. We've been picking beans every day for like 3 or 4 weeks. Scarlet beans. Now we're going to pick some purple ones. There's a few here as well. Pick some purple beans. These ones, when you cook them, they actually go green. Oh look. There are beans everywhere. Also in here we've got some mangalia pole beans, which are really nice too. Got some of those. Oh yeah, these are nice beans. So there we go, look at that. There's one there. Another one. And we'll just grab some beetroot. These ones are ready. There's our beetroot. So I've got a nice pumpkin growing. Oh, look at that. Nice pumpkin for winter. There's another one growing down there. There's tomatoes everywhere growing there. And heaps of oxalis as well. Yep, some more tomatoes growing there. The ones I grow now, the ones I really like to grow, the Russian red, which are these ones here. These ones grow really well. I think I'll grow these ones again. These ones here are the black Krim heirloom ones. Black Krim. Look at them, the stalk on that. Right. Oh, look at that. Yep. So there we have, just a bit of a scratch around, and I've got some potatoes, beetroot, Lebanese telegraph, purple beans, mangalia pole and the scarlet reds, and some tasty as beetroot.